How to click Download Chrome button from Windows Server in E. I'm unable to download the Google Chrome installer when I'm in Internet Explorer for Windows Server 2012 R2. I normally set the allowed sites under security, but that doesn't work. What is preventing me from clicking the Download Chrome button? This URL.
Windows servers ship EA with a lockdown configuration that they refer to as Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration. This configuration consists of a set of zone settings, and additional advanced settings as well. In their default state, these browsers will display a message about the configuration. To see the details of the EA escape, click the link with the text, Effects of Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration, to see the specific settings. In prior versions you could simply give the Internet Zone the right to download files, but that no longer works as well as it had, and Chrome web-based installation also requires scripts and local installer execution, so it in particular is difficult. If you are just going to use another browser anyway, either to avoid EA, or to get around the configuration, you can consider just disabling EA Escape. To do so, review the help for your specific version of EA by entering this URL, res://isetup.dll/easehelp.htm#turnoff. For Windows Server 2012 and 2012 R2, the instructions are as follows. Keeping the Internet Explorer Enhanced Security configuration enabled on your servers is recommended to help ensure that your servers are not inadvertently exposed to malware or other browser-based attacks. However, in some environments you might wish to turn off the Internet Explorer Enhanced Security configuration protections to enable easier browsing for administrators or standard users. To turn off Internet Explorer Enhanced Security configuration, close any Internet Explorer browser windows that you might have open. Open Server Manager. If your server is running Windows Server 2008 R2, in the Security Information section of Server Summary, click Configure EA Escape to open the Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration dialog. If your server is running Windows Server 2012, click Configure this local server to open the local server configuration page. Then, in the Properties area, next to EA Enhanced Security Configuration, click on to open the Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration dialog. To allow members of the local administrators group to use Internet Explorer in its default client configuration, under Administrators click Off. To allow members of all other groups to use Internet Explorer in its default client configuration, under Users click Off. Note once the Internet Explorer Enhanced configuration is turned off for one set of users, Server Manager will display off next to Internet Explorer Enhanced Security configuration. Click OK to apply your changes.
I use PowerShell for install Chrome in Windows Server 2012 or 2/2016/2019. Of course I know is not recommendable, but sometimes you need a browser forget some files. If you want auto-install Chrome in your X2 Windows, put this in your user data.
For me, I did the following and I was able to download Chrome on Windows Server 2019. Turn off Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration. Click here to see how. Enable file download. Click here to see how. Enable active scripting JavaScript. Click here to see how. The download Chrome button worked fine after I did all that.
Instructions for Mac users. Smile. Open Server Manager, search with magnifying glass in bottom left. Click Local Server. The EA settings can be disabled with this link.